Hey gang, Jim Farmer here. It's Tuesday the 9th of August. It's about 9:45 in the morning and I just got the boat loaded up and I'm just getting ready to head out for a couple hours to try a couple new baits that I came up with, a new color or two, and we're going to be running that this morning. Weather-wise, it looks like it's a little bit overcast, kind of partly cloudy to overcast. Today there's kind of a weak front that's moving through here in just a little bit. The wind's kind of kicked up. It's out of the west, northwest right now. So we're going to go out and see if we can't find some feeding fish when these weak fronts start approaching and the barometric pressure falls away. It's usually good fishing, so we're going to go out there and see if we can't find a few this morning. Here's the tackle that I'm going to be using. On the first lead core on the left side, well, I've come up with a new color. It's a color that I've been kind of fooling around with for a while, and this is it right here. I'm going to call that kind of an electric blue color. What I did was I painted the jig heads that blue color, and then I dusted holographic dust over the top of them, and it's really got a nice look in the sunlight. So we're going to be running that on a big swim bait today. And on the second, on the first downrigger on the left side was just another variation of the same color, the electric blue color, and I made kind of a bucktail troller out of it with a 5-inch paddle tail. I've had real good luck with this 5-inch paddle tail. So we're going to try this color today and on the downrigger with a paddle tail to see what happens. Then on the other downrigger, I'm just going to run a lower profile bait, something that's a little bit smaller, a little bit shorter. This is I believe this is 1.5 ounce bucktail that I tied. It doesn't have any trailer or anything. It's just a smaller profile bait. Whenever you're pulling these smaller profile baits, what you want to do is run them a little further back behind the ball, maybe 100+ feet behind the ball, and that kind of gets them down to where they need to be. And that's on the second downrigger. And then on the right hand leg core, we're going to be running the Old Faithful here. This is kind of a chartreuse white big swim bait. It's got one of my chartreuse jig heads on it, and that's been sprinkled with holographic dust too. So we're going to get out there and see if we can't get a couple fish on these.